Hi folks, Jenny here, Northern Girl Hobbies. So my dad's been working on this project and he's cleaning up what is essentially a hoarder's home and working on the property too. So he's got some really cool stuff that he's been able to salvage, and I'm gonna take you along and come and check out what we found. Who did we find?
Your dad.
We found Dad. What happened today?
Nothing. Nothing happened.
What did Stitchberry do?
He went for a ride.
What did he do right around the people that had the pizza?
I don't know. Tell us.
Stitchberry had a big poo. People were eating pizza. Then the young lady comes and she's like, "Do you have any poopy bags?" Oh boy, no. No
I'll be
poopy.
holding the ashtray there, lad.
No poopy bags. I had to pick it up with a French fry box, and a
Yummy.
napkin.
Yeah, was it fun?
Oh, it was disgusting and embarrassing. Thank you, Stitchberry.
Did it look healthy? Did it look healthy
Ollie,
or was it hard?
Don't be weird.
It was soft?
Just don't-
Is it mushy?
Don't be weird. Yeah.
He does a little 360 though, eh? In a handstand when he goes.
Yes, yeah, he's
It's
a weird
adorable.
dog. I guess so.
You want to walk down there before you leave?
Yeah, we're gonna take a walk
I
down.
want to show you some of the stuff.
Yeah, yeah, cool. I want to show the folks too this old chapel on the
What
property.
about the pizza party today you interrupted?
Let's not go there.
Okay, Stitch, are you sorry? I mean,
Most people don't even know that's there.
Yeah,
I
know.
do.
The only church that's around now in this town.
It's not even open.
Roman Catholics, well, converted, and the Anglican, they tore it down.
Yeah.
This is like,
Yeah, so it's old.
Whitefish Falls still has faith.
Here's the old chapel. Whitefish Falls Chapel. Hold on, Dad. Did you attend that?
No.
You never attended that? Oh. Interesting.
A small building though, eh?
Yeah. So, how is Conrad playing TV in there if he's got no power to the house?
Still power to the shed. See that cord?
Okay, yeah, yeah.
That's how he's got power.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
This one here, the old house here, I don't know. I don't know if he's going to survive another winter in that one.
Oh boy.
Yeah.
Wood heat too. Lots of work. Okay, we're gonna go for a walk. Bye, Stitchberry. Following the old man. Yeah, yeah.
And then the property line, there's one pole there. It runs on an angle, eh?
Okay, weird. Okay, so we're on the res.
This area here, I'd love to clean that up. That'd be a nice little tent area, right?
Oh yeah, in the shade too.
And we started on this area.
Yeah, my dad and his wife bought a camper. $2,500 for that, the pop-up style one. That's a pretty good deal. It's nice and roomy in here.
Yeah.
Nice and clean. Very cool.
$2,500.
2,500.
Oh yeah?
Cool.
The love shot.
Okay, so my dad is cleaning out that old house, and they're finding a whole bunch of different things. Some things could be potentially worth money. Check this thing out. It's an old, like, whirlpool washing machine. Neat. Like, I mean, it could be workable, right? If somebody restored it. Maybe. Oh, yeah, okay, cool. Better than hand wringing out your stuff, I'll tell you that. Wow. Neat. Okay, yeah, you got some cool stuff happening here. Old lantern.
Look at that. That's an ammunition box. Yeah?
Yeah?
Yeah. It's a little-
Oh, this wooden one?
Yeah.
Oh, sweet.
That's a nice piece.
That's cool. What's in this Shakespeare thing?
Which one's that? Oh, that's a fish finder.
Oh,
Yeah, Bully wants that, eh?
oh, cool.
Dug that out in the shed.
A couple of old tackle boxes.
Is that whatever you call it? Put your wheel down?
Yeah.
Thermoses back there.
That over in the field.
Oh yeah, like a jack.
They must be worth something.
Trailer jack, yeah. Cool.
That white basing, I think we're gonna keep that. Use that for our washing, eh?
Oh yeah, I would.
Washing base.
Minnow bucket.
Yeah, that's what I did. What's in the red container though? That red box. Shakespeare it says?
Sportsman.
What's that?
It's just a tin.
With the two thermoses.
Okay.
It was in like a picnic basket.
Oh, neat. Oh yeah.
Wonder what they use that.
Old school.
Yeah, check through it.
Oh yeah, look. Let's check it out.
Check it out, man.
Okay, let's see what's in this thing. Oh, that one looks pretty good.
Yeah, if you want it. Take whatever.
Got some good jigs in here. This is really hard to film like this. Cool.
The big one too, the yellow bumblebee one.
Look at, we got it like a maps, some good jigs. Look at that one. Like an old school frog. Like really vintage.
I like that.
That one's old school. That's made out of wood.
Yeah.
That, oh yeah, that one. I'm keeping that one. Look at that.
I like that one.
Yeah, that one will catch some lunkers, I think. That's like a good musky one, I think.
Yeah, musky or pike.
Pike.
Maybe even perch or walleye like that.
Yeah. Cool.
Even the bass will hit that.
Look at that though.
That's what we'll do.
Yeah, it's all
Sweet.
wood. Painted.
Cool.
There's another box there too, eh? Just say whatever you don't want for Pierre, eh?
Yeah.
Bully's gonna take him fishing, eh?
Okay, cool.
Take whatever you want. There's another box there. Tell him.
Cool. Check it out.
Black one.
Cool. Little bobber.
That's neat looking.
Treasures, eh?
We should try something like this. I've never
heck
tried
is
this. It's to break your lead. So you tied it here, and then you attach your lead here, and this stays on the bottom.
Go ahead.
I like these things. They're cool.
Yeah.
It's amazing what you find, eh, when you go looking for treasure.
Yeah.
I've been cleaning up garbage.
Yeah. Awesome.
And I'll even throw in one tackle box, okay?
No, we didn't get that one.
No, we're good for tackle boxes, Pops.
Nice spot. Really nice.
It'll be nice when I get it all done up to my standards. Get rid of all the scrap wood now, eh?
Yeah.
Clear all the land right to the rock around her trailer, make it look beautiful.
Mm-hmm.
And all the way back. Yesterday morning we seen a deer, young one, cross down there.
Okay. Yeah. So property cleanup.
Yeah. Major.
Yeah. Big time overhaul. Yikes. But you get cool free stuff.
Yeah.
Okay, Stitchberry probably shouldn't come in the house.
What?
No.
No?
And I've been forewarned that it smells really bad. Because whoever had this place was like essentially a hoarder of garbage and whatnot.
Well, it was never locked too, eh? Bears got in there, everything.
Oh, yuck. Oh boy.
Okay. Mask on.
Oh man, I could already see it happening here.
Okay.
I don't have a mask. Oh my god, how do people live like this? Look at, there's more lures right there.
I
Oh
know.
yeah.
Oh yeah.
Once we go through all of this.
But move, please.
Wow. Oh, I can't believe you're doing this, Dad, but
And he lived here last summer.
what?
Yeah.
No way.
Yep.
Oh my goodness. Oh.
Okay.
It's just, it's musty, it's moldy. You could just, oh my, I can't believe somebody lived here.
Okay, let's get out of here.
Wow.
This one has to be in there.
Holy crap.
Need a hazmat, or whatever you call those.
Oh yeah, you better be wearing a mask when you come in here, like for real. Look at that.
Just grab the whole box.
Yeah, take the whole box out.
Hurry up.
Why?
Dad's
Grab the
gonna,
whole box and look at it out there.
Dad's gonna puke.
There's nothing
Yeah,
wrong.
seriously.
You guys are tripping for no reason. Nothing wrong with the smell.
Yeah, whatever.
Oh, lots of good stuff in there.
Yeah, you can have these pops?
Huh?
You can have these?
Yeah,
Okay.
take it all.
Nice, yeah.
So we compiled it all together into the one tackle box, and this is what we got. Hasn't been cleaned up yet, but look at it all. Amazing. Free stuff. Fishing. Right on, man. There's some oldies in here too. Where did that old wooden one go? So there's the old wooden one. It's not marked up or anything. Looks like it had been painted as a minnow. Very cool. So yeah, great scores. We're all set, I think, for the rest of our lives for what we have combined with fishing tackle. There's that old school frog. That's got to go into a separate thing because I'm making a shadow box with all old lures. Because I have quite the collection so far. Old fishing stuff. But yeah, thank you for watching. It's always fun thrifting through stuff. Get out there and do stuff. Take care, everyone. Ciao for now.